Goulds pumps. Boosters.
This water system feeds about 40 houses of residential use. This was a system that we upgraded this past year. Previously there was a spring that was fed by the reservoir, and it became groundwater under the influence, and we drilled a new well. We installed a submersible pump in it, and from there the submersible pump pumps into this storage tank, and from the storage tank into the booster pumps and into the hydropneumatic tank. We thought in this particular application we'd be better off using storage in a hydropneumatic tank and using the SSV Goulds pumps to build the system, as opposed to just going with a straight drive from the storage tank. We recently did a school that was challenged for space, and instead of putting the booster pumps inside the building, we put them inside the storage tank. We cut down on space, we cut down on not using a hydropneumatic tank, and the school has constant pressure and it really works well. This school probably saves somewhere in the neighborhood of about $112,000.
For schools, golf courses, neighborhoods, farms, and factories, Goulds Pumps professionals are providing the technical expertise and single-source responsibility for the design and installation of sophisticated booster systems using Goulds Pumps.
We install several Gould products and booster pumps on storage tank systems. The landscape contractor was going to expand the landscaping on the property, so we were exploring some options, and we ended up using an HSC 20 with a 3-phase motor on it and an AquaBoost controller. We work on a pretty wide spectrum of pumps. They have a highly engineered product, and we don't have a lot of problems with it.
We're at a factory here in Eastford, Connecticut, and they employ about 300 people. The system operates 24/7, 365 days a year. They had a constant problem with running out of water, so we drilled a second well. It's about 1,000 feet deep, tied that into the existing storage tank, updated the system with a whole new controller using Goulds drives and Goulds pumps. Out of this system is used for domestic use. They use somewhere in the neighborhood of about 2,000 to 3,000 gallons a day. This system has a 5,000-gallon storage tank. We have 2 booster pumps. They're 5 horsepower, controlled by Aquavar drives. This was custom designed because of a system like this is you have these big influx of people, so they have big demands in short periods of time. So the range in the SSVs using the Aquavar drives allows them to meet those peak demands, which sometimes can be an issue with other systems.
So it's nice to be able to deal with one company and have all the bells and whistles.